I said a firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. Firecracker, firecracker, boom, boom, boom. The boys got the muscles, the teachers got the brains, the girls got the pretty legs, and we won the game. Woo! So as you guys can see, I am about to make some firecracker crackers that I've been seeing on TikTok. The best recipe that seems real simple and quick to the point is Miss I think her name is Eat Keisha, or Keisha Eats, or something like that. So let's see. So tomorrow night I want to make tuna, and I want to try the firecracker crackers with the tuna. So I have my ranch, I have my red pepper, I have my garlic powder, I have my onion powder, I have my avocado oil. Of course, I have the crackers, and I have a Ziploc bag. I've seen a lot of people use a Ziploc bag, so I am going to mix everything up, and I'll be back. Okay, I don't know about you guys, but every family in America should have a spoon like this. I'm going to mix my stuff up in here. So, she said 1 cup of olive oil. So, I'm going to do 1 cup of olive oil. I know I'm lying. Come on, go a little faster. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 1 tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. Red pepper, 1 tablespoon. And a second one I seen her do. Well, she did a 1/2 cup. I'm not going to do a 1/2 cup because I'm not really sure like that. And then, of course, the ranch seasoning package, right? By Hidden Valley. So we pouring it all in. Let's give it a stir. So y'all look, I'm pouring it in. Oh, I hope it turns out right. I'm scared. I'm nervous. I put some Ritz crackers in here too. I'm gonna shake it. And then I'm gonna put it up and see what I come up with. And see how it does. It's looking. So y'all know it's like 9:30 at night, right? So that's why I'm looking like this. I'm doing it as quickly as possible, because I got to get up and get ready for work in the morning. I want these to be done and ready after I get home. So we're going to put these up and see what happens. I will do my next video with the results.